Okay, see question number 11. The eccentricity of an ellipse having center at the origin axis along the coordinate axis and passing through the points 4, -1 and -2, 2 is. Okay, this answer has to come. See what I want to say. First of all, I will write general equation of ellipse. General equation of ellipse means x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. See, first I will pass through this one. That means see, at 4, -1 implies, see, 4 square 16 by a square plus -1 square 1 by b square is equal to 1. Okay, 16b square plus a square is equal to a square b square. Okay, this is one equation. B square plus a square is equal to a square b square. Okay, this is one. Again you submit this point also. Okay, at -2, 2 implies -2 square 4 by a square plus 2 square again 4 by b square is equal to 1, or else 4b square plus 4a square is equal to a square into b square. Okay, this is also one equation. See here, we will multiply this with 4. Okay, 4b square, 16b square going to get cancelled out. Okay, let us do it. What I want to say, if I multiply second equation with 4, what will happen? 16b square plus 16a square is equal to 4a square b square. Okay, with 4 I have multiplied. Now this equation directly write 16b square plus a square is equal to a square b square. Okay, now subtract. 16b square going to get cancelled. 16 minus 1, 15a square is equal to 4 minus 1, 3a square b square. See, a square if we cancel out, b square will be 15 by 3, or else b square is equal to 5. Okay, if at all b square is 5, then what is a square? Okay, right now any one equation you take, this equation we will take. Okay, see, 16 into 5, why? Because b square value is 5 plus a square is equal to again 5 a square. Okay, b square value is 5. Now see, 5a square minus a square, 4a square. 4a square is equal to 80. 16 5s are 80. Then what is the a square value? 20. Is it correct? 16 5s are 80. And this goes minus 4a square, yes, 20. A square is 20. See, a square is 20, b square is 5. Okay, you need not write again this equation. Why? Because you require eccentricity. Eccentricity is direct formula we are having. What is the formula? E square is equal to a square minus b square by a square. That is equal to a square value how much? 20 minus b square value 5 by again 20. That is equal to, see, 15 by 20. That is equal to 5 3s, 5 4s. See, this is e square value. What about e? Apply root 3 by 2. Okay, let us go for next question.